I think this might be the best piece of advice I've ever given on this YouTube channel. So I'm talking about lawnmowers. So I had an email from someone and they sent us a link to a lawnmower and said, is this any good? And I clicked on the link. It was a steel mower, just shy of £1,000. And I'll not tell you the whole email, but basically I said, yeah, it's a great mower in its own right, but it depends what it's going to be used for. It'll be no good, you know, with small to medium-sized gardens type of thing. So I got us thinking. So I thought I'll do this video and I'll give you my tip in a sec, because I was nearly caught out by this as well. So it's genuinely good advice. So if you're thinking about buying a mower, you might look online, and especially if they've got deals on and stuff like that, and you'll be looking at kind of the blade size. Personally, I go about 18-inch, I find is the sweet spot. You'll go kind of engine size, like how much power it's got, variable speed, and possibly a few other things as well. And as I say, if there's a good sale on, you might think, oh brilliant, this looks the part. But here's the thing, and this is where I nearly got caught out. So I nearly did this a few years back. I had a mower picked out online. I thought, yes, brilliant, this is the one. And then I was buying some oil or something. So I went to my local place where I buy that, and they also have steel mowers. So I just had a little wander around, as you do. And I just so happened to see the one that I was going to buy online. And instantly, I was like, ooh, this is big. So I stood behind it, imagined cutting my nice little small, medium-sized gardens. Sometimes you have to lift it over like a border, or like maybe up a step or two. And I'm looking at the thing, I thought, there's no chance. I went to pick it up, barely lifted. And that's before you kind of putting it in the van and, you know, will it fit? I've got like a rack thing in the back of my van here, and I've got a gap for my lawnmower. Probably wouldn't have even, it'd be a squeeze. I thought to myself as I was stood behind it, like, what am I cutting, like football pitches? It's ridiculous. So the biggest, you've obviously already guessed it now, the biggest piece of advice I can give you is, yes, by all means, find the mower online, especially if it's in the sale, try and get you know, a bit of money off, but go and find that mower physically and stand behind it. Like, give it a little lift. How heavy is it? Like, how bulky is it? Because that will make or break the decision, really, to buy the mower. So hopefully you'll agree that that's a good piece of advice. Some of you might be saying for once on this channel, but genuinely it's a good one, I think. Right, see you guys, see you next one.